These cat videos are going super viral online. Most people even think they're real, but they're actually AI generated. I tried making a few myself, like a cat working out at the gym, a cat flying through the sky like Superman, and even a cat working as a professional software developer. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos just like these. And not only that, I'll reveal a powerful AI tool that can cut your work in half. From prompt generation to image creation, video generation, video enhancement, sound effects, and even background music, this tool does it all. So stick with me until the end. It's going to be fun, creative, and packed with value. So, let's get started. The AI tool we're using today to create viral AI cat videos is Wondershare Filmora. It's currently one of the most popular free AI video editing software in the world. All you have to do is head to the website using the link in my description and click download. If you don't have a laptop, no worries. It's also available on the Google Play Store, so you can download it directly to your phone. Once you've downloaded it, let's take a quick look at the user interface. You can either start with New Project or move your cursor to the Toolbox section. There, you'll find all the AI tools you need, like audio to video, AI image enhancer, AI object remover, and many more. If you hover over any feature, you'll see a preview of how it works, giving you a quick idea before actually using it. Okay, let's start with our first step, prompt generation for cat videos. Scroll down until you find the feature called AI copywriting and click on it. From the drop-down menu, you'll see options to generate everything from video titles to YouTube descriptions. It even provides results in multiple languages like English, Portuguese, Hindi, and French. Even though this feature is helpful for creating prompts, it's better to use ChatGPT because it's faster, more flexible, and generates funnier, more creative ideas. Now, head over to ChatGPT. Here's what you need to do. First, copy the prompt reference from my WhatsApp channel and paste it into ChatGPT. I've added the channel link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Or simply comment cat below, and I'll send you the channel link directly. Once you paste the prompt, make sure to type this line before it. Create 10 funny prompts featuring only an orange tabby cat wearing glasses in a cornfield doing some crazy things. For example, cooking, cutting vegetables, reading a newspaper, but without changing this example prompt format. Then, click Generate, and that's it. ChatGPT will instantly give you creative and hilarious prompts for your viral cat videos. Once our prompt is ready, let's move on to step 2, prompt to image generation. In the Toolbox section, you'll find a feature called AI Image. Click on it. This is where you'll create images based on your prompt. Now, all you have to do is copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Before clicking Generate, make sure to choose a style from options like Illustration, 3D, Cyberpunk, and many more. For this example, I'll leave it at the default setting, General, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, it will generate 4 images. You can preview each image by clicking on it. Each image looks ultra-realistic. It's hard to believe they are AI generated. Now, drag and drop each image one by one into the timeline editor. Make sure to reduce the image length as much as possible to avoid downloading it as a video. Once you've resized the images, click Export. Before downloading, change the format from MP4 to JPG, then click Export once again. The images will be downloaded to your device. Make sure to try the remaining prompts yourself to create the images. Now our images are ready, so without wasting any time, let's move on to step 3, converting images to video. If you move your cursor toward the AI media section, you'll see an option to convert images to video. However, I prefer to start this from a new project. So, let's go to the dashboard, click on the toolbox, and then select image to video. Alright, we are now in the AI image to video section. But before creating a video, let's take a quick look around. Here, you can not only create videos based on images, but Filmora also offers a variety of special effects. If you scroll down, you'll see many effects that can transform a normal image into things like cartoons, hugging each other, flying objects, and much more. At the top, you'll also find categories for effects where you can choose whichever style you prefer. You can either upload your image, add a prompt, and generate a video, or use the default features. I'm going to use the default feature because it saves time. Now, let's move the cursor toward the Critter Clip section, where you'll find effects specifically designed for pets like cats and dogs. If you scroll up, you'll find a feature called Kitchen Cook. Since our images match this theme, click on it, upload the image generated in the previous step, and click Generate. That's it. Your final result will be ready in seconds. Once your video is ready, click on it to preview the result. It looks pretty ultra-realistic, right? Now drag and drop it onto the editing timeline and click Export. But if you take a closer look, the video seems a bit blurry. So, let's fix that in the next step. Step 4. Enhancing the video. From the toolbox section, select AI Video Enhancer. Now, import our cat video. Next, drag and drop the imported video into the editing timeline and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll have your enhanced video. Now that the results are ready, let's compare both videos. You can clearly see the improvement in the upscaled version. Even though the video is completely ready, there's still something missing. Without background music and right sound effects, the video feels incomplete. So, let's fix that in the next step. Step 5. Adding background music and sound effects. Alright, click on the Audio tab. Here, you'll have two options. You can either create sound effects and background music using AI, or use the default ready-made sound effects and music. I'll go with the ready-made options. First, click on Sound Effects, search for Cat, and drag and drop it into the editing timeline. Next, go to the Music section, search for Funny, and drag and drop one of the tracks onto the timeline. Now, remove any unwanted parts from the music and make the necessary adjustments to fit your video. And that's it, your final result is ready. Click Export to view the output. That's all for today's tutorial. I'll see you next time with another exciting AI tool.